Hey everyone, welcome back to HelloVSTV. Today we are reviewing the Emeet Smartcam Nova 4K, a budget-friendly 4K webcam designed for streamers or content creators. It mounts easily to your monitor or tripod and includes a detachable magnetic privacy cover, which is a nice touch for privacy-conscious users. Setup is truly plug and play via USB-C and it works on both Windows and macOS. The 4K Ultra HD resolution is crisp and vibrant, especially under good lighting. It features a fixed focus lens with an 88-degree field of view, which gives you just enough room without distortion. It also handles low light surprisingly well thanks to built-in auto exposure and white balance. Audio-wise, the dual built-in mics deliver clean voice capture with built-in noise reduction. It's not studio-grade, but good enough for daily calls, virtual meetings, or live streaming. There is also Emeet Link software support, giving you control over your camera's image settings, including brightness, contrast, zoom, and more. A big bonus for creators wanting to dial in their look. At under $70, the Emeet Nova 4K delivers great video quality, smart features, and ease of use. It's a solid upgrade from your laptop cam and competes with more expensive models on sharpness and color. Additionally, I would like to mention that while the Nova 4K uses a fixed focus system, it's tuned for optimal clarity and typical desk distance, so your image stays sharp without hunting. In low light, the built-in Sony sensor and HDR support help retain detail and reduce blown-out highlights or noisy shadows. Even in dim conditions, skin tones remain natural and the exposure adjusts smoothly. The noise reduction effect on the dual mics is also worth noting. It filters out background sounds like keyboard typing or distant chatter, making your voice come through clearly during video calls or recordings. And lastly, worth mentioning, this model is currently listed as one of the best-selling 4K webcams on Amazon, making it a top choice in its category. This is all about the Nova 4K web camera by Emeet. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification button. Until next time!